EKENENE kia KISUMU bawerekeire gwikasi ekegambero Inspector General bw'abanyanyimbo National Police Service boigona Antony General ekegambero nigo keganetia abo batatu koerera ningi keragere gitambukiro gyokotabwatia ogochika gwekegambero tikeirwa sebare. Justice Alfred Mabeya nigaruro gochika gukubagania bwo asekegambero rero litukoria chumanne ekero yarorekanire buna abaigati babwatete gochika Bw'Ekoti okukwarwete kitariki 25 umutinyo gatatu umwaka oyoiga okukwabaganitie koroisia amachiko ayakorenda abananchi ekero gyokorobekana.
Would directed the first, second, and third respondent to prepare, develop, and publish within 90 days public order management regulations to regulate and manage public demonstrations and picketing in exercise of the right under Article 47 of the Constitution. That directive was obtained from what the court had observed firsthand in the petition. For far too long, many have died and been maimed while either trying to exercise that right or while being innocent as bystanders. One death is too many, considering the history, the conduct of the first respondent and the officers of the second respondent. 90 days expired on the 24th of June 2026. It is 13 days of that period. There is nothing on record to show that the same directive was applied. The Council, Mr. Kaju, has admitted as such. He requests for a few days to explain. If everything was being done, and the first and third respondents felt they would be unable to comply with the directive, nothing would have been easier than to file for extension of time before today. This is blatant disobedience of a clear people. One's obedience is one to be. It is an affront to the rule of law. It is a breach of Article 10 of the Constitution. Court orders are not suggestions. They are not suggestions to be second guessed. They are processes featuring in orders that anyone feels onerous. The continued vacuum is dangerous. It was expected that the members of the second respondent would hence not operate in a vacuum or in a lacuna where it is unknown how they are to meet those desirous to exercise their right under Article 37 of the COK. That right is not a flowering provision in our primary law. It's an entrenched right. The first, third respondents would not be permitted to operate as if this country has no rules. They are under the law. We must obey orders. Accordingly, since there is no reason to record why the first and third respondents disobeyed the order of the 25th of March 2026, they are hereby summoned to appear before this court and show cause why action should not be taken against them for the conduct. Appearance shall be on the 21st of July 2026 at 9 a.m.